SWOT analysis by Hans Lester Agdelapis, St. Cecil A. SWOT analysis or SWOT matrix is a strategic planning technique used to help a person or organization identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to business, competition, or project planning. This technique, which operates by peeling back layers of the company, is designed for use in the preliminary stages of decision-making processes and can be used as a tool for evaluation of strategic position of a city or organization. It is intended to specify the objectives of the business, venture, or project and identify the internal and external factors that are favorable and unfavorable to achieving those objectives. Users of a SWOT analysis often answer questions to generate meaningful information for each category to make the tool useful and identify their competitive advantage. SWOT has been described as the tried-and-true tool of strategic analysis, but has also been criticized for its limitation. SWOT assumes the strengths and weaknesses are frequently internally related, while opportunities and threats commonly focus are due to the external environment. The name is an acronym for the four parameters the technique examines. S is for strength, characteristics of the business or project that give it an advantage over others. W is for weaknesses, characteristics of the business that place the business or project at a disadvantage relative to others. O is for opportunities, elements in the environment that the business or project could exploit to its advantage. T is for threats, elements in the environment that could cause trouble for the business or project. The degree to which the internal environment of the firm matches with the external environment is expressed by the concept of strategic fit. Identification of SWOTs is important because they can inform later steps in planning to achieve the objectives. First, decision makers should consider whether the objectives is attainable given the SWOTs. If the objective is not attainable, they must select a different objective to repeat the process. This is an example of SWOT analysis for upper crust pies. Strength. Location. Our first location downtown will draw investors and downtown shoppers. Uniqueness. We stand out as a unique alternative to fast food and we offer consistently high quality food in the distinct atmosphere. Strong management. We have assembled a team that embraces different disciplines with expertise in all areas of the business. Weaknesses. Lack of capital or startup funds will come from loans and investors. Lack of reputation. We haven't established ourselves as a reputable meat pie provider yet. Opportunities. Area growth. Yamcha Town is growing by 8.5% annually. Working family with 3 children. This is a growing population both in numbers and their choice of convenient foods. Two-income families have less time to prepare a meal. Threats. Competition. One competitor sells similar pies and has loyal customers as well as relationship with businesses that regularly buy from them. Being unprepared for opening numbers. Initial poor service or product quality could discourage customers from returning. In summary, a realistic recognition of the weaknesses and threats that exist for your effort is the first step to countering them with a robust set of strategies that build upon strengths and opportunities. A SWOT analysis identifies your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to assist you in making strategic plans and decisions.